to another session of Indian Honor System for Management Application. So here we are discussing about contemporary management application for IKS and modern management. So here modern management focuses mainly on efficiency, performance and profit. While these are important, they often miss the ethical and human aspects of management. The Indian knowledge system teaches us about values, duty, and social responsibility. By integrating IKS in with the modern management, organization can balance profit with purpose, meaning meaning we make decisions that benefit both business and society. So here it says that we need to integrate the IKS Indian knowledge system and its application to the modern management. So here, while we are integrating IKS with modern management, an organization can balance profit and also profit with the benefit and benefit to the business and society. Both things can be balanced easily. Indian knowledge system supports modern management by promoting ethical leadership, long-term thinking, and balanced decision making. It emphasizes values like duty, honesty, teamwork, and responsibility, which help managers lead organization in a fair and sustainable way. These ideas align with the modern practices such as ethical governance, employee well-being, and sustainable business growth. And the stress management and mindful at workplace. So this is one of the important area that have a great relevance in today's business world. Stress management and mindful at workplace. Indian tradition like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness help employees to manage stress and improve focus. So in today's workplace, the most of employees are very lag in stress management and mindfulness at their workplace. So while by following the Indian traditions like yoga, meditation, etc., this will help the employees to manage their stress and also they can improve their focus in workplace, and this will leads to a more productivity at the workplace. Practicing mindfulness at work increase mental calmness, concentration, and emotional control. This lead to better productivity, reduce work pressure, and healthier work environment. Next is corporate social responsibility from Indian values. Indian values teach that businesses should work for the welfare of society along with earning profit. Concept like seva, loga sangraha, that means public welfare, and charity encourage companies to give back to society. CSR based on Indian values promote ethical business, community development, and environmental protection. So nowadays, CSR has a very great priority in today's modern world. Every companies are give a great support to the social corporate responsibility. That means every company are aiming at profit, not only profit, but also they are giving priority to the community development and ethical protection. So this is the end of the session. Thank you.